Hi everybody, it's Grandpa Scott.
And it's Grandpa Bobby, and welcome to the desert in winter time.
It is so great to be out. This is our first hike of 2025 here.
That's right.
It's so special. It's about 79 degrees.
Well, almost, but we don't want to rub it into all of our friends who might be coping with a lot of snow.
Yeah.
But we just thought we'd send you our warm wishes and show you a little about what's going on in our backyard.
Yeah, because we love going for a hike in our backyard.
You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know. Getting high, feeling low, and it's out of your control. You should know that I won't leave you. I'll stay beside you. I'm never letting you go. You've been lost and alone in the city lights, I know.
Today is February 2nd, Groundhog's Day, and I guess we can see our shadows, so I guess we're in for 6 more weeks of winter. But when you live here in the Southwest, that's not a bad thing.
We're hiking in Tucson Mountain Park, and all the trails are so well marked. There's great signage. You'd have to work really hard to get lost.
But we'll try. It's a beautiful warm day. Sorry for all of you who might be burdened with a lot of snow. It's actually pretty dry for us. This is actually a wash that when our monsoon rains hit can get really easily flooded. It can be pretty dangerous. We haven't had significant rain for a period of time, so the desert's a little more brown than normal. But as you can see, Sonoran Desert is still really a very green desert. This is called an acatillo. We actually have one in our yard. Unfortunately, it's not doing as nicely as this. They actually get very green. And then, of course, you'll recognize the saguaro cactus. Now, it said it has to grow, how many years, Grandpa, before it sprouts an arm? At least 50? 50 to 100 years. So these are pretty old but gentle giants. We're hiking on the western mountains in Tucson, and there are a lot of easy hiking paths like this. And as well, there's a lot of difficult hiking paths. The nice thing is it gives you the opportunity to choose what's best for you. That we said this is our first hike of the year, so we're starting off on an easy trail just to get our legs back. Wait, I seem to have lost somebody. You coming? Don't lag behind.
Hey, we have it. I'm watching it and enjoying it. You don't have to do a speed record to have fun hiking.
Or to get your steps in.
Or to get your steps in.
Come on. I noticed some of you, the plant life here, like these prickly pear cactus, might seem like something out of a Star Trek movie, but they do have their own beauty, and we'll shoot again in the springtime when everything blooms and the flowers come out. It's really spectacular. Right now, as we mentioned, it's pretty dry because we haven't had rain for an appreciable amount in a while.
It's really great to do these trails. I mean, yeah, they're a little rocky, and yes, sometimes you have to avoid the bikers, but it's just nice to get away and spend a little alone time with my boo.
With your Sherpa.
And really explore this beautiful, beautiful terrain. Hopefully you're seeing it on the camera. It's just incredible. Where? Oh, where? Whoop, let's see. Oh yeah, the Golden Barrel.
Now, don't get too close.
Yeah.
They get prickly.
We have some of those in our front yard.
Yep.
I love cacti. I just love their spirit and their strength, the durability.
And that they're easy maintenance.
Oh yeah, and that they pretty much take care of themselves. Because we have a rule at the house. If you can't take care of yourself, you don't want to stay with us. Okay, let's do an incline.
Get those steps in.
Here we go. Wow. Tremendous. More of the jumping.
I believe it's jumping cholla.
Yeah, because if you get real close to, they do. They will jump out, even when they're down on the ground, folks.
Yeah, those, like
that, like that. If you get close, they will send needles into you. And as one who has had them in their shoes, they're not fun. We were hoping we'd also see some wildlife out here, some deer, maybe a bobcat, maybe javelina, a coyote. Not too sure we want to run into a mountain lion.
But it's afternoon and most of the wildlife goes to sleep.
Yeah, you just have to learn the cycle of living in the desert. We're interlopers into their domain. You change for them. You don't have them change for you. Just respect them. Oh, and we're heading there. Beautiful blue sky. I hope this is coming over.
So we're out here in the desert, and the nice thing about it is there are so many beautiful different types of cacti and growing things here. You know, we don't know all the names for them. I think this is a jumping cholla, but I may be mistaken. And if you do know, why don't you leave us a comment? I love the way the sun shines through the cactus and just makes it glow.
I never tire of this terrain. It is so beautiful. What about you, Grandpa Bobby?
It's absolutely gorgeous. Now, we've lived all around. We've lived in very busy cities, and they're beautiful too, but this valley has a real special meaning for us. Well, we didn't make it to the top of the hill, but we did have a great hike, didn't we, Grandpa?
Oh, we sure did. It was fantastic, and I'm a little tired right now.
Well, you did pretty good for the first hike of the year.
Well, my little feetsies right now are going wah, 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 wah.
I think we tired Grandpa Scott out a little bit.
Sure did.
But you know, we did get out, and the point is just to move a little, see some nature, and enjoy the beauty of the desert.
And there sure was a lot of beauty right here in the Sonoran Desert.
So whether we travel around the world or whether you're just traveling through life, always remember, travel your heart.
Bye, everybody.
Bye, everyone.